Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about how to locate a roof coatings contractor. So roof coatings are kind of a new type of roofing system out there that's taken everyone by storm. And really it's because there's minimal tear off with your existing roof. It's a fast installation and you get a 10 or 20 year warranty on an existing roof and it's seamless. There's a lot of benefits to it. But how do you locate someone that you trust that can actually do the job for you? Well, the first thing is you can use Google, pretty self-explanatory, or you can use the SPFA, which is the Spray Polyurethane Foam Association. And you might be thinking, what does spray foam have to do with roof coatings? Spray foam cannot last on its own. It'll degrade if it's exposed to UV rays. So every spray foam contractor puts coating over top of spray foam, and they've been doing that since day one. So they know how it goes over roofs, how long it lasts. You gotta do it in 2 coats. There's a lot of science behind it, but they know about spray foam. They also know about roof coatings as well. Another thing you could do is ask the contractor if they have any case studies. Maybe they have done a roof coating system over the same roof that you have. Or maybe they have a list of testimonials that you can call, say, hey, I have a TPO roof that I want restored with coating. Maybe they have a list of 5 or 10 people you can call tomorrow and ask them, hey, how's your roof doing? It's been 5 years, how long has it been lasting? Just to give you some confidence in choosing the right coating contractor. You need to ask the contractors, what size roofs can you handle? Some roofs are, 200,000 square feet. Some are small mom and pop shops, but there's a difference in which contractor you should choose because their company might be built around that. Another thing is the service department. So all roofs need routine maintenance. Clean the drains, make sure there's no signs of deterioration, make sure that nothing that's minor today will turn into something major down the road. It's really how their service department works. Some smaller guys will just pull guys off of the installation team, go check out this roof today, and then make sure it's okay, then come back. Some companies have a whole service department dedicated to just service. These people will get to know your roof over the long haul. They'll have records of where problem areas might be, and just a better experience for you, because you're going to get better service on your roof when someone knows what they're looking for and has a past record on it. So that's pretty much how you can locate a contractor, SPFA or Google, and then choose the right one with the other stuff that was said today. So hopefully you learned at least one thing new. If you want more information, please click the URL in the blog post to learn more. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.